To vaccinate Georgians beginning to pick up steam. So far, more than 2 million people have received at least one dose, and that sounds like progress until you compare it to the rest of the country. Information gathered by the Atlanta-based CDC reveals our state is dead last when it comes to the percentage of the population that has received at least one dose of the vaccine. Georgia's at 12% ahead of only Puerto Rico, which is a U.S. territory and not a state. CBS 46's Adam Murphy is live tonight breaking down the work that still must be done to vaccinate more Georgians.
And Adam, doctors have learned about this virus since it first arrived in Georgia.
Hey, good afternoon, Sean. I spoke with an infectious disease doctor right here in Metro Atlanta who remembers that day when the governor made that announcement 1 year ago today, and looked back and also is looking forward to what we can expect. Basically saying here, as you can see, this is a site in Doraville. The doctor is telling me that if you have the opportunity to get a vaccine, you should get it, and it doesn't matter which one it is, that they're all safe. And I'll walk you around here. As I mentioned, at this location at the MARTA station in Doraville, people have been coming all day long and going into that white tent over there and doing just that, getting the vaccine. The doctor talked about how he believes this is our way out of the pandemic. Now, during the past 12 months, vaccines were developed in record time, making Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson household names. But getting shots in arms has been a real problem here in Georgia. As we mentioned, only 12% of Georgians have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and that's below the national average of 15%. Dr. Danny Brandstetter, who I was talking about, is medical director of infection prevention at Wellstar Health System. He said we've learned a lot about the prevention and how to protect ourselves and reduce transmission by wearing masks and social distancing during the past year. But we have a long way to go when it comes to fully vaccinating all Georgians.
I think there's, supplies is certainly a factor. I think there's some vaccine hesitancy out there that we're combating and dealing with. But I'm very encouraged that we're opening up and actually having more people allowed to be vaccinated in our phases next week.
And also some more encouraging news. The White House today announced that they will increase the amount of vaccines that will be distributed to states. They're going to bump that up to just over 15 million doses per week. Plus, we're learning from the White House today that Merck will team up with rival Johnson & Johnson to help them produce the J&J vaccine. We're going to dive into this much deeper next hour. For now, though, we're live here in Doraville. Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.
Adam, thank you.